How to add debit card to Cash App. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Cash App on your screen, and from the given interface, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding this page. Now from the given options on your screen, select the option called Link Banks, which is under Account and Settings. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding this option. So from the given option, you may select the option called Link Debit Card. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, you need to add a bank using your debit card number. So go ahead and enter up your debit card credentials here. First thing is you need to enter up your debit card number. Go ahead and enter it up here. After that, you need to enter up the month and the year, the expiration date, and then your 3-digit CVV. Just go ahead and enter it up right here. And then your zip code. Once that is done, tap on the link card from your screen. And then once that is done, once everything is entered correctly, you will be finding your debit card added to your Cash App. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.